Hey, what's going on? Moving around Atlanta. It's your designated Atlanta realtor Tristan Jones back with another video for you guys. Um, this is a topic that a question that I've been getting asked a lot. How did I come up with the name Moving Around Atlanta? And what brought me out here to Dallas, Georgia? So I thought I'd just sit down and answer that question for you guys, for those who haven't done any business with me and who may not know yet. I'm originally from Houston, Texas, and I moved to Atlanta, Georgia in 2015. Um, Life happened. I ended up getting married, having a couple beautiful kids, and we got a divorce, unfortunately, a couple years ago. She wanted the kids to have a better education, so she moved them to Cobb County. And for me to be close to them, I moved down the street to Paulding County, which is Dallas, Georgia, and we're like literally 10 minutes away from each other. It's kind of funny how it's sectioned off, but it is what it is. And just me being out here, um, discovering my surroundings, seeing what there is to do out here, the eateries, the restaurants, things to do for fun. I found so much, and I like it out here. I mean, like I said, I'm from Houston. I'm used to the big city, so Atlanta was cool. Atlanta was great, but when I came out here, it's a whole different vibe. I mean, it's quiet. It's not slow by any means, but it's very quiet. Um, it's no rush. It's a steady pace. Everyone seems nice, and I love it out here. I love scenery. I have a giant hill in the back of my backyard, if you can see, but I love scenery. In Houston, we don't get seasons, and I never knew what anyone said, what people meant about that. I used to run into people said that we didn't get seasons, and I didn't understand that until I moved to Georgia. And you guys actually, we get fall out here. We don't have fall in Houston. It's just summer and winter, summer and winter. Um, so yeah, me seeing the leaves turn different colors for the first time, I fell in love with it out here. It's a bunch of land out here. I've taken my kids to ride horses out here. There's trails out here, like waterfalls. I've never seen waterfalls until I moved here. Um, it's just so much out here. You have the Silver Comet Trail right up the street. Great for biking. I don't have a bike, but I will try to get out there and make a video for guys, you guys who love to bike. I do golf and I do fishing. I'm not really that big in the lakes, but I live like 30 minutes away from Lake Allatoona, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I go out there a lot. When I do my fishing, I mostly go saltwater. Like I said, I'm from Houston, I'm from Texas, so we're in the Gulf. So I either drive to South Carolina or South Georgia or Florida, somewhere like that to do my fishing. But if you guys like lake fishing, man, bass and stripers and stuff like that, they're here, like giant ones. So I do plan on learning how to lake fish, freshwater fish. Just not in a rush to do it. But yeah, man, it's been great. It's been great. I've learned a lot. I've seen a lot, and I would recommend it to anyone who is ready for a change, ready for a different pace of the fast city life, ready to get away from all the traffic. It's only one street that has a lot of traffic to me, and that's Thornton Road. It's a long highway, Thornton Road, but it's only in one section. And once you get past that section, it's literally like no more traffic. So I mean, it's not like 400. If you guys are in Atlanta, you've been on 400. It's nothing like 400. So, but yeah, if you're ready for a change of pace and getting away from the traffic and the noise and stuff, you can see how quiet it is out here. Someone has that little noise dog around there somewhere, but other than that, it's quiet. I've come outside, my daughter and I have come outside, and there's been deer in my backyard. I mean, it's just different. It's peaceful. But yeah, that's why I ended up in Dallas, Georgia, Paulding County. I call the channel Moving Around Atlanta because you have so many options inside Atlanta. I want to highlight the options outside Atlanta: the Dallas, Georgias, the Cummings, the Cantons, the Roswells, the Kennesaw, Marietta, just like right outside of Atlanta. And it's not far. I'm 30 minutes away from Atlanta, maybe 40 on a bad day. It's not far at all. So if you ever want to go in the city and party, you can. but just the options that you guys have, so you won't think that you're just stuck being in Atlanta. I have to be in Atlanta. No, it's so many other options out here that can give you great homes, beautiful homes, brand new builds. I'll be doing a lot of spotlighting on new home builders, Toll Brothers, and Pull, um, just different new home builders and where you can get these homes. Um, if you ever see anything that you like or you're interested in me listing your home, always give me a call or a text, 916-272-0520. Um, any questions, same thing, give me a call or a text, 916-272-0520. Like, share, subscribe any video, comment directly on the video. I always reply to all of my comments. But yeah, I mean, that's why I'm here. And that's where we got moving around Atlanta from. So hope to work with you guys soon. See you later.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.